let things warm up just a little bit more, go ahead and confirm the radios and avionics. So I'm currently monitoring ground. I have tower frequency 120.6 for the long runway in standby. On the nav side, active is Seattle VOR, standby is Olympia VOR. Number 2 nav, I've got Olympia and Seattle VOR.
4 at Alpha 5, taxi to Galvin.
4805, correction, 4804, Boeing ground taxi to Galvin Alpha.
Taxi to Galvin via Alpha 4804.
And I have the AWAS and CTAF at our destination, Chehalis, in the comp side. Flight plan is loaded.
Flight 402 is clear, 14 left, taxi to signature.
Flight 402, Boeing ground taxi signature via Alpha.
800 is set for our initial altitude on the Lincoln departure. Heading bug is set to the runway 135. Okay, temps come up. We'll do the run up. Be a normal takeoff the Lincoln departure.
Hey, 0 Quebec Juliet negative, stand by, I'll pull through flight plan.
That's a climb straight ahead, 800, then a 180 level, 180 degree turn over the river to the South Park Bridge, then a turn westbound over the ridge, stand below 800 on the downwind, then climbing to 1000 at the ridge, and 1500 once we cross the Seattle 323 radio. Boeing Tower, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, 14 right, Alpha 9er, Lincoln departure.
Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, Boeing Tower. Runway 14 right at Alpha 9er, clear for takeoff, Lincoln departure approved.
Clear for takeoff, 14 right, Alpha 9er, Lincoln departure, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot. Lights are on, transponders.
6333 has traffic passing.
Final is clear.
6333, roger. Cessna.
Number 6333, altitude your discretion, thanks, continue for 14 right, traffic holding position is going to be at Gulfstream.
14 right, continue, 6333.
Number 6333, if you can reduce speed for me.
I'll do that.
Number 440, Quebec Sierra, runway 14 right, line up and wait, traffic, 4 mile final caravan.
Line up and wait 14
Takeoff
right.
power is set. Fuel flow is good, airspeed's alive.
This is 517, short 14 left.
Up we go.
Boeing Tower, Skyline 560, Bravo, advise frequency change to Rent.
Positive rate.
0 Alpha Bravo, region 90, you can contact Brent, have a great day.
Okay, region 90 over to
Here's up.
Rent, 560, Bravo, thanks.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, early turn to the downwinds approved.
Thank you, 46 Foxtrot.
It will do an early turn this time.
Number 0 Quebec Sierra, Bonanza on the upwinds in the right, turn to the downwind, runway 14 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 14 right, 40 Quebec Sierra, so northerly kind of a good call.
More 6333, runner 14 right, clear to land, caution wake turbines for departing Gulfstream. Clear land 14 right with the
Gauges are good.
6333.
Here comes 800. Comes to South Park Bridge. There's the bus barn, turning left, heading 260 or so.
Quebec Sierra, contact shuttle departure today.
Have a great day, sir.
Cessna 45517 Boeing Tower, runway 14 left, clear for takeoff, left downwind departure approved, caution wake turbines for global, just fly the parallel.
7 cancel, takeoff, clear, hold short, runway 14 right.
Gauges are all still good.
Go over to departure for Quebec Sierra.
0 Quebec Sierra, contact South departure.
1000.
Have a great day.
There's 1000.
Boeing Tower, airlift 2 medevac is just
Expected bumps.
northwest of Blake Island with Yankee, I believe it was, headed to University of Washington.
Airlift 2 Boeing Tower, transition approved, Boeing altimeter 29er, 9er 8.
9 or 8, thanks.
I want to go turn left Alpha 7, contact ground point 9er.
Crossing the 323 up to 1005.
Get more 6333, turn left at Alpha 4, cross runway 14 left and contact ground point 9er.
Alpha 4, crossing ground 6333.
Back to full power for the climb. All the temps and pressures look good. Already a bit of wind up here.
517, runway 14 left, clear for takeoff, left downward. Departure 2.
Hey, across the shoreline up to 2,500. Clear the class Delta. Okay, climb check first thing, all the gauges are still in the green. Landing gears up, cow flaps are still open. Flaps are up. Lights, so we've got landing, strobe, navs, and beacon are on. Pitot heat's off. Autopilot's engaged as we said. 35 knots of wind up here, wow. As predicted.